Are you over 50 and tired of walking every day without seeing real results? What if I told you there's one simple move that can transform your strength, balance, and energy, no matter your age? Today, I'm sharing the one daily exercise that delivers real, lasting benefits for seniors. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and if you want more practical tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you're over 50, you've probably heard it 1,000 times. Just walk more, it's the best exercise for seniors. And yes, walking is good for you. It gets you moving, it's gentle on your joints, and it's easy to do. But let's be honest, how many times have you walked around the block or even on a treadmill and felt like you weren't really getting anywhere? Maybe you're not seeing the results you want. Maybe your legs still feel weak, your balance isn't improving, or you're just bored with the same old routine. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Here's the truth. While walking is a great start, it's not always enough, especially if you want to build real strength, improve your balance, and stay independent as you age. The problem is, walking mostly works your lower legs and doesn't challenge your muscles or your balance in the way your body truly needs after 50. That's why so many seniors walk every day, but still struggle with stairs, getting up from a chair, or feeling steady on their feet. So, what's the answer? It's time to stop wasting time on routines that aren't giving you results and start focusing on the one move that can truly transform your body, the sit to stand. This simple exercise is the foundation of real-life strength, and it's the single best move you can do every day to see and feel a difference. Why the sit to stand? Think about it. Every time you get up from a chair, out of bed or off the toilet, you're doing a version of this move. It's not just an exercise, it's a skill you use every single day. And as we age, the ability to stand up easily and safely is one of the biggest predictors of independence and quality of life. In fact, studies show that seniors who can do multiple sit-to-stands without using their hands are much less likely to fall, need help, or lose their independence. Let's break down how to do it right. Start by sitting on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or hold them out in front of you for balance. Lean forward slightly, press your feet into the ground and stand up smoothly, without using your hands if you can. Then, slowly sit back down with control. That's one rep. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions, once or twice a day. If that's too much, start with just a few and build up over time. If it's too easy, try a lower chair or add a gentle pause at the top. You might be surprised at how challenging this move can be, especially if you haven't done it in a while, but that's exactly why it works. The sit-to-stand targets your thighs, hips, glutes, and core. All the muscles you need for walking, climbing stairs, and staying steady on your feet. It also trains your balance and coordination, which are critical for preventing falls. But the benefits go beyond just strength. When you practice the sit-to-stand daily, you'll notice improvements in your posture, your confidence, and even your energy levels. You'll find it easier to get up from the couch, play with your grandkids, or carry groceries. And because it's a functional movement, it translates directly to your everyday life. Now, you might be thinking, isn't walking enough? Walking is great for your heart and your mood, but it doesn't challenge your muscles the way the sit-to-stand does. In fact, many physical therapists and senior fitness experts now recommend the sit-to-stand as the #1 exercise for older adults. It's safe, effective, and you can do it anywhere, no equipment needed. Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. First, don't rush. The goal isn't to do as many as possible, but to do each one with good form. Make sure your knees don't cave in, your feet stay flat, and you're not using your hands to push off unless you absolutely need to. If you have knee pain, try a higher chair or place a cushion on the seat. If you feel unsteady, keep a sturdy table or countertop nearby for support. Another tip, breathe. Inhale as you sit down. Exhale as you stand up. This helps you stay focused and keeps your movements smooth and controlled. And remember, it's okay to take breaks. The key is consistency. Doing a little bit every day is much better than overdoing it once in a while. If you want to make it more challenging, try adding a gentle squat at the top, or stand up and sit down on one leg at a time, with support if needed. You can also hold light weights or a water bottle for extra resistance. But for most people, just mastering the basic sit to stand is enough to see real results. Let's not forget about the mental benefits. Every time you complete a set, you're proving to yourself that you're strong, capable, and in control of your health. That confidence carries over into every part of your life. You'll feel more independent, more willing to try new things, and less afraid of losing your mobility. So if you're ready to stop wasting time and start seeing real results, make the sit to stand your daily habit. It only takes a few minutes, but the impact can last a lifetime. Before we move on, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know where you're watching from and if you're going to try the Sit to Stand challenge. And if you're finding this advice helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips to help you stay strong, active, and independent at any age. Now that you know the power of the sit to stand, let's talk about how to make it a lasting part of your daily routine and how to get the most out of this simple but life-changing move. First, set yourself up for success by making it easy to remember. Choose a specific time each day, maybe right after breakfast, during a TV commercial, or before you go to bed. Link it to a habit you already have, so it becomes automatic. You can even put a sticky note on your favorite chair as a reminder. The more consistent you are, the faster you'll see results. Track your progress. Write down how many sit-to-stands you do each day and notice how your strength and confidence grow over time. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Maybe you started with just 3 or 4 and now you're up to 10 or more. Every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. If you want to take it further, invite a friend or family member to join you. Doing the challenge together can make it more fun and keep you both motivated. You can even turn it into a friendly competition. Who can do the most in a week, or who can improve their form the most? Sharing your journey with others not only keeps you accountable, it also inspires those around you to take charge of their own health. Remember, the sit to stand is more than just an exercise. It's a way to invest in your independence and your future. The ability to get up easily from a chair or bed is something many people take for granted, but it's one of the most important skills for staying active and living life on your own terms as you age. By practicing this move daily, you're building the strength and balance you need to keep doing the things you love. Whether that's gardening, traveling, playing with your grandkids, or simply enjoying a walk in the park. Don't get discouraged if you have a tough day or if progress feels slow. Real change takes time, and every effort counts. If you miss a day, just start again tomorrow. The most important thing is to keep going and believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think, and every sit to stand is proof of that strength. Let's recap. Walking is good, but if you want real results after 50, the sit to stand is the move you can't afford to skip. It builds strength, improves balance, boosts confidence, and helps you stay independent for years to come. Just a few minutes a day can make all the difference. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me where you're watching from and how many sit to stands you did today. If you're ready to take the challenge, type "I'm in" the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to take the first step toward a stronger, healthier future. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple, effective tips to help you stay active and independent at any age. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Together, we're building a community of strong, confident seniors who are living life to the fullest. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too late to start. One move every day, real results. You've got this.